Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be going over why the law of attraction hasn't been working for you. There are two parts of the mind, the conscious mind and the subconscious mind. The conscious mind is your thinking mind. The subconscious mind does not have the ability to reject anything. Anything that's impressed upon it, it must accept it. The subconscious mind is responsible for your self-image and the results that you're producing today. I'm going to share an exercise with you that helps you identify the motivation behind the things that you do. This exercise is going to require some dedication, but it'll help you do two things. Be conscious of what you're doing and identify the real motivation behind the things that you do. Let's get into it. For all the actions that you complete today, I want you to ask yourself, why am I doing this action? Why am I behaving in this way? The initial answer will be the justification and not the real motivation behind this action. Ask yourself again, why do I think, care, or feel this way? You're now getting closer to your subconscious programming. This is where the real transformation takes place. Keep asking yourself why until you get the motivation behind the action or behavior. For example, here's a why exercise I did on watching TV. Why do I want to watch TV? Because I'm bored and want to be entertained. Why am I bored? Because I'm not doing anything that is fulfilling me. Why am I not doing anything that is fulfilling me? Because I was going back to the old habit of watching TV. Why is that a habit? Because I didn't replace it with anything else productive. As you see here, I identified my old habit of watching TV was due to a habit that was part of my old self-image, which caused me not to do anything more productive. This exercise helps you identify your negative beliefs which are keeping you back from succeeding. Remember how I mentioned your subconscious mind can't reject anything that you impress upon it? Well, using this will help you identify any subconscious beliefs that are holding you back from attracting what you truly desire. Now, I challenge you to do this exercise for 1 week. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on the law of attraction and manifestation.